I just replaced this thermostat out of a Electrofreeze ice cream machine. This is the cabinet thermostat. Sits in there like that. It was replaced because it doesn't cut in soon enough and the case gets warm. When you turn it, it's a lot easier to turn one way than the other way. This way, hard to turn. This way, really easy to turn. And it kind of feels like something's going slow in there. So attached to this capillary tube is a bellows right here, full of something. You can see. There's our closing force. Now it's easy to turn both ways. Wonder how you get the rest of this apart. I haven't got a clue, so I'm just gonna break it. Okay then, so in here we've got some kind of a leaf spring or something, and there's a set of contacts in there that look brand new. There's peanut butter all over the inside of it. Everything else is fine, so yeah. Written down on the report for the cause of failure is peanut butter ingress. That's what killed this thermostat. Peanut butter chocolate flavor.